Alright guys, rocks sinks, metal sinks, but this soft little cube floats on water like it's on vacation. Ice says, I'm not like other solids. Let's find out why. Glass of, okay, sorry. Normally solid sinks because they are dense, like a friend who thinks Wi-Fi comes from the fridge. But Ice said, I am built different, like this. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, you can see I have drawn comparing water and ice. We see water's box is small, but the ice box is bigger because when freezed, the molecules of the ice moves apart from the other molecules but is still connected. Here, because the molecules go far away from each other, the volume of ice is bigger. So if the volume of ice is bigger, then the mass, I mean the density of the object automatically decrease. It's same weight, okay? It's same weight, but ice takes more space, like me after eating one whole pizza. Sorry. Okay, water molecules are close. Okay, I have told this already. Water molecules are close like best friends, but when they freeze, they suddenly go, I need personal space, I need time, like this. You can see here I have drawn water molecules. Okay, water molecules, they are close but connected, but when they freeze, when it becomes ice, okay, when it becomes ice, the molecules the molecules of the ice goes apart from other molecules but is still connected. Okay, now is the time for summary. Here in this video we got to learn why ice floats on water, because ice has more volume equals less density, so it floats like a pro swimmer. It floats because it expands when froze. Ice does not expand, but the molecule inside it expands, so the volume of the ice is larger, and when the volume is larger, then the density decreases. And you may think when the volume increases, the density should also increase, but no. Yes, it is also true in some condition, but in this condition, like I am comparing ice with water, and we know ice and water are same thing, but because ice is the same thing as water, when ice's molecule go apart, it becomes less denser than water, so it floats on water. Write this in your exam, you will guaranteed 1 marks. So next time you see ice floating, just remember it's not science, it's confidence. Like, share and subscribe if you want to flow through your exam. Thank you.